What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and tonight we are gonna be in the shop. I usually don't work at nighttime, you know what I'm saying, because I'm an early morning person, you know what I'm saying. Like, I usually like to get my stuff done early in the morning, so you know what I'm saying, I can enjoy the rest of my day, or work during the day. Since it's cold outside, I usually try to, you know what I'm saying, get out there in the afternoon when the garage starts to warm up and stuff like that. But now some things have kind of changed for my day tomorrow. So I won't be able to like really just, you know what I'm saying, get out and, you know, work on the car or whatever, because I won't be at the crib. So anyways, you know what I'm saying, that's why we starting today. But today we are going to start looking at all the stuff for this LS motor. We're gonna start putting all that stuff together. I want to start cleaning the pistons, measuring everything. I already measured the one set of bearings of the connecting rods. I'll probably measure some more. I mean, it really doesn't make any sense, I guess, to measure all of them because they all come in one set. It's not like they're all different sizes. But I want to inspect the crank. I want to clean the pistons, and I want to measure the main caps, the main cap bearings or whatever, the main bearings. So that I can get all of that stuff ordered up and ready to go, because pretty much, I mean, I don't really have that much before I can build the short block. All I got to do is order all the bearings and install the cam bearings and all that kind of stuff, and then we can go ahead and start throwing the whole LS bottom end together. So pretty much that's what we're gonna do, man. Go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. Go ahead and go to grindschoolshop.com, get your merch, man. Support the brand, I greatly appreciate it. Also, that's how we are going to do the drawing for the giveaway winner for the 5,000 subscriber Dakota Digital. Somebody pointed out that I should do an odometer dash. I mean, if whoever wins the dash, if that's what they want to go with, then I'm open to that as well. So anyways, man, like I said, we're about to jump into the video. I'm about to go, I'm actually on my way right now to go get some oven cleaner and a brush so that I can go ahead and clean these pistons. Hopefully we can shine them up the best that we can. I was gonna do like polish them and do all this other extra stuff, but I mean, that really does not make a whole lot of sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not racing the car. The car is not, you know what I'm saying, gonna be, you know, the heads don't need to be ported and polished. I was gonna do all that kind of stuff. Realistically, I'm probably not even gonna feel the difference or even know the difference between, you know what I'm saying, like 10, 15 horsepower due to porting and polishing up the pistons and all that kind of stuff. I'm not gonna really notice that. As long as the car slide, as long as I can do donuts or do whatever I gotta do, you know what I'm saying, we good. So I'm gonna slide over here to Home Depot, grab some oven cleaner and grab a brush, and then after that, you know what I'm saying, after that, we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning for the night. So let me get to the store, and then I will holler at y'all when I get back to the crib. All right, y'all, so we got everything all laid out on the table. Shout out to the previous owner of this, because homie literally laid everything out, or labeled all of the pistons. I was worried about it. I'm like, yo, like, you know, because he was like, at least you won't have to worry about balancing. And I was like, thinking about it, I'm like, but the pistons are not, you know, I don't know which ones go where. But he was able to, or he labeled all of the pistons. So, you know what I'm saying, each one of these pistons down here has a number, and it's hard to see. Let me see if I can show you. So that's number 7. This is number 6. So I need to switch them. I mean, it really don't matter right now, but yeah, so he labeled all of them, so I know which ones to go where. The crank looks pretty good, man. It doesn't look like, you know, we got any scoring up journals or nothing like that. Nothing looked like it was spun in there or anything. I think everything looks pretty good. If not, whatever, you know what I'm saying? If it breaks, then we'll fix it. But everything looks pretty good. What I'm concerned about is just getting all this grime off of the pistons. I'm not concerned about making them, like, you know, perfect. I was gonna like polish them and do all that kind of stuff, but I don't think I even need, like I said before, you know what I'm saying, at the beginning of the video, I don't think I need to go through all that, man. I seen somebody, you know, do all the sandpaper and clean them all up and do all that. I'm not going to do all that, man. I'm literally just going to clean them up, you know, take a rag with some oven cleaner and clean all that stuff up and make it as clean as possible. I'm going to take these coil packs off of here, and I'm going to clean up the valve covers as well, because those are going to get painted. And I'm not going to disclose what I'm going to paint it yet, because I'm kind of deciding, you know, there's only one person that knows what direction I'm going to go with this. As of right now, drop down in the comment section if you think you know what color I'm going to paint the block and everything else. So it's really going to be a dope color scheme, and I hope that my vision comes to life exactly how I see it. But for now, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot it with this oven cleaner that I got. So it says leave it on for like 3 minutes or something like that. I heard that this is like kind of like the best, you know, the best stuff to use, you know what I'm saying, to clean these pistons. And then I got a scrub brush, nothing like metal. It's just like a soft scrub brush that I'm gonna use to just get the grime off, lightly get the grime off. And then I'll take a rag and I'll scrub it, I'll wipe it off. So, you know what I'm saying, look at it now. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, we can, you know, get most of this grime off of here. And then, yeah, man, that's what we're gonna do. So we'll try to get as much of it off as possible and, you know, clean it up. And I don't even think I even need new bearings. I was looking at it, but I'm gonna order new ones anyway, just to be safe. I'm not even gonna chance it. I'm gonna order new bearings. I'm gonna order new main cap bearings, because he did say I'm gonna need some new main cap bearings. But I mean, all these bearings look like really good actually, but I'm gonna order some new ones just in case. So new main cap bearings, new rod bearings, new camshaft bearings, and new piston rings. I'm gonna get new piston rings. So all of that stuff will be new. And then yeah, but anyways, man, let me go ahead and spray this stuff. Let me go ahead and let it sit, let it soak, and then I'll get to scrubbing. So I guess I'll probably start with the valve covers. Go ahead and clean these off, and then, you know, move on down the line. I'll probably do one line at first, just so that, you know, I'm not letting that stuff sit on there too long. I'll do one section at a time. So I'll do this first, scrub this off, do those first, or next, scrub those off, do these next, scrub these off, and then we'll be good to go. So let me go ahead and get cracking on this work. I just wanted to take the main cap, or the what's this thing called? The crankshaft. I just wanted to take the crankshaft out because I wanted to inspect it a little bit, make sure that it's not all scoring, like the journals aren't all scoring up and stuff, like as if, you know, there was a spun bearing or something like that. But these look pretty good, man. I don't think I'm gonna have any issues. I think I could probably, you know what I'm saying, get, you know, clean them up, take it, get it cleaned up, but I'm not even gonna do that, man. I think everything looks really, really good. So I don't think I'll have any issues. So let me go ahead and, like I said, start getting this oven cleaner on there, scrape them, clean them, and then we'll be done for this tonight. And then, like I said, I can measure the bearings. I already measured the rod bearings, measure the main cap bearings so that I know what size I need to get. And then later on, when I can get the block on the stand, I'll measure the cam bearings. Maybe I won't even wait till I get the block on the stand, because I want to get everything in so I can throw everything together. But this is the step that I need to get done so that I can start piecing everything together, and then I'll paint the block and do all that kind of stuff. So anyways, man, let me go ahead and get cracking on this so I can get done and get in the house for the night, because the temperature is starting to drop. It is starting to get cold in here. So let me go ahead and hurry up. All right, y'all, so we got the valve cover soaking in the oven cleaner. Let me see here, man. Let me read some directions real quick. 9 to 10 inches, wear long rubber gloves. All right, so wipe clean after 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm about to let it sit for a little bit longer, probably about another couple minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and scrub it with the brush that I have. Like I said, I wanted to clean this up first, and then I'll get this piston set here, then I'll get that piston set there, wipe everything clean, and we'll call it a wrap for the night. Like I said, I just want to get all this grime cleaned up and get things ready to go. I guess I could move this crank in the meantime, get it up out the way. And yeah, because I mean, like I said, I just wanted to inspect it. So anyways, let me go ahead and let that sit. I'm gonna get this crank out the way, and then I'm gonna get the scrubbing. All right, y'all. This is after the first round. I sprayed it again because, you know, there's a couple spots that, you know, but on the pistons, you can already see it's starting to, you know, clean up already. Foam up, clean up, man. Excuse me. This stuff works really well, man. It works really well. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll show you guys what the after looks like once I'm done cleaning everything all up. These are good. Like I said, I'm gonna paint them, so you know what I'm saying, like I'm not too concerned about getting them 100% clean right now. I just want to make them a little bit nicer, prettier, but I'm gonna have to scuff this up real good, clean it really, really good, scuff it up, and so I can paint it. So over here, I'm just trying to get as much grime off as possible, make it look real nice and pretty, like it was from the factory. And then, yeah, I was gonna put the crank up, but I decided to just leave it here. I'm probably gonna leave all this stuff overnight because I wanna measure the crankshaft journals just to make sure that I get the right bearings, because I don't wanna, you know, get some that are too big, too small, whatever, because that'll just set me back. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start scrubbing again, and then start wiping everything off. I'm probably gonna have to get a different towel now because this one is super oily. So I'm gonna go get another towel, and then I'll scrape everything else off, and then we'll be done with this. All right, y'all. So this oven cleaner stuff is working pretty decently. I'm gonna go ahead and go over it another time, or some more. Try to get all that carbon off, you know what I'm saying? Just let it soak on there, and then clean up the rods and everything else. It looks pretty decent. This looks pretty good. We're gonna have to go over it again still. So when I paint it, it's nice and clean. I just do what I gotta do there. But I think, you know, yeah, this stuff is like really, really, really on there, man. Kind of crazy, but we're gonna get it all done. We're gonna get it all cleaned up, and you know, then we'll move on to the next step. I measured my one of those main cap bearings, my connecting rod bearings. These are just standard Gen 4 piston rings. I'm gonna go ahead and replace these. These are probably decent, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace those, and we should be good to go, man. Starting this engine build from scratch, so we gonna get there. All right, grind schoolers, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, man. It wasn't nothing too crazy. I'm just cleaning up the internals for the motor so that I can go ahead and get to, you know, building everything, ordering all the bearings that I need. I gotta go ahead and install my cam bearings, so I will make a video of me installing my cam bearings and taking the old ones out. And then obviously we're gonna make a video of me assembling the motor and doing all that, doing all the short block stuff. I'm trying my best to like get it done as quickly as I possibly can, man, but it's the holiday season. There's a lot going on. You know, I got, you know, just a lot going on right now, man. But I'm trying to get out here and getting this content for y'all, so I'm not trying to miss an upload, and I'm getting everything in order so you guys can have this content for your viewership, and I definitely appreciate the support. I'm not trying to miss a beat, but like I said, it's the holiday season, got a lot of things going on, and a lot of work to do. But anyways, man, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video. I wanted to finish the pistons and cleaning them all the way up, but you know, it's been a task just trying to get out here and just like scrubbing them and cleaning them and stuff like that. And this stuff kind of soaks a little bit, and then you clean it off, and then, excuse me, you see how much more you got to clean off. So I'm not really, you know what I'm saying, pressed to get it done all in one setting, but I wanted to get this content to you guys. So we are starting the LS motor build, and this is the beginning of it. Cleaning everything up, painting everything, painting the block, getting all that stuff done. And then we can start putting everything together, start assembling that stuff. And like I said, you guys will be along for the whole entire build if, you know what I'm saying, you guys so choose. But I am going to record the whole entire build because I think that would be pretty dope to show you guys me actually building the motor, because I built the motor by hand. Me and my dad built the motor by hand in the Elco, the first motor, and I didn't really film the whole process. There's just a video of me just putting the motor into the car, but I didn't film like actually, you know, putting the pistons in and going through that whole stage and, you know, putting the cam bearings on, or not the cam bearings, the timing gears on, putting the camshaft in and all that stuff. But you guys will get that in this motor and then the next motor that I do. So anyways, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoy it. Go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. And always remember, work hard so you can live free.